You finally sit down to relax. Your body is still, but your mind isn't. It jumps from one thought to another, like it's afraid of silence. And you start wondering, why can't I just switch off for a minute? Here's the strange part. Your brain isn't broken. It's actually doing exactly what it was designed to do. And once you see why, you might stop fighting it. Think about the last time you tried to relax. Maybe you were lying in bed, phone down, lights off, quiet room, and suddenly your brain goes, did you reply to that message? What if something goes wrong tomorrow? Why did you say that awkward thing 3 years ago? It feels random, but it's not. Your brain has one main job: keep you safe. Not happy, not calm, safe. And here's the problem. Your brain doesn't know the difference between real danger and imagined danger. 100 years ago, danger meant something real, like a wild animal or a physical threat. Today, danger looks like unread emails, seen messages with no reply, deadlines, social pressure. What if I fail? So your brain stays alert, always scanning, always preparing. Even when you're just lying in bed doing nothing, your brain is still on duty. It's like a security guard who never got the memo that the building is safe. And that's why relaxing feels unnatural sometimes. Now, think about this. Have you ever tried to force yourself to relax? Like telling your mind, stop thinking, just chill. And somehow, it makes it worse. That's because your brain hears that as something must be wrong. Stay alert. So it pushes even harder. It brings more thoughts, more worries, more noise. Not to annoy you, but to protect you. Now add modern life on top of that. Your phone keeps lighting up. Notifications, messages, updates. Even when nothing is happening, your brain expects something to happen. It gets used to constant stimulation, constant checking. So when everything finally goes quiet, your brain doesn't relax. It searches. It creates thoughts just to fill the silence. Because silence feels unfamiliar. And unfamiliar feels unsafe. That's why you can scroll for hours without feeling tired. But the moment you put your phone down, your mind wakes up, not because you're doing something wrong, but because your brain is trying to stay in control. Here's a simple way to see it. Your brain is like a bodyguard. Who cares a little too much? It's always watching, always thinking ahead, always asking, what if? And yes, sometimes it goes too far. But its intention is never to hurt you. It's trying to protect you from things that might not even exist. So the next time you can't relax, don't immediately fight your thoughts. Just notice them. Let them pass like background noise. Because the moment you stop treating your thoughts like problems, your brain slowly realizes there's nothing to protect you from. And maybe relaxing was never about silencing your mind, but understanding why it refuses to be quiet in the first place.